Hey, it's JP. We are at the end of 2024, and since this is the first year of my YouTube channel, I thought it'd be fun to take a look at some of my previous adventures, storm chasing and hiking and other stuff, and maybe see some new footage along the way. It's a great day to take a look back. We are in Trinidad, Colorado on our way to Garden City, Kansas. Hello, we are 15 miles southeast of Paducah, Texas. So I stationed myself in Colby, Kansas tonight. Welcome to the Prescott Frontier Days. It's going on July 1st till July 7th, and we're gonna see what's going on. I am walking, doing my morning walk. I've done every morning in San Francisco. One second. Mother Nature is just amazing. The universe is amazing. There is so much beauty around us. This is what living in the desert is all about to me. All right, so we're following this ridge line right through here, and then we're going up that peak right over there. And that's our destination today, and I am determined to do it. This is gonna be a challenge, and this is why. Trail marker with hat. I don't know whose hat, but that's kind of fun. I hope it isn't something dire. All right, I've made it atop Guthrie Mountain. I'm on Guthrie Peak. It's 7,270 feet according to my iPhone GPS. Hey, it's JP. So I was gonna go flying this afternoon. I'm glad I didn't, because if you look right here, there's a little bit of convection going on. While most of my adventures were centered around hiking, I also had that great storm chasing adventure in May. It's day one. Storm Prediction Center says storms every night somewhere on the plains for the next 5 to 6 days. I'd like to thank you for joining me on my little look back today. I hope you have a great new year, and I look forward to you joining me on my upcoming adventures. See ya!